Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a Skype name. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, type in a Skype and log into skype.com using user credentials and download a Skype on your PC by clicking on this download icon. Now, after the download gets finished, log into Skype using user credentials and you'll see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen and click on a Skype profile under Manage section. Click on the Skype profile and you will see your profile details on this page. Here, you will see your Skype name, email, birthday, phone number and other information. Simply click on this small pencil icon at the top of this screen and you'll be able to place your cursor in this field. Simply type in any name you want and after typing in the name, click on this tick icon, that is OK icon. And as you can see, I just changed my Skype ID's name by doing this. Click on profile icon, select a Skype profile, click on edit icon at the top and you can edit your Skype ID's name anything you want. So that's how you change a Skype name. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.